It's breakfast time, and one of our favourite things to make for breakfast is an omelette, and this is cooked in a silicone food bag. So I've prepared some ingredients here to go in our omelette. I've got some bacon, some finely chopped onion, mushrooms, capsicum, tomato, parsley, and we'll add a dash of salt and pepper to that too before we cook it. So we just pop these into the silicone bags. I've prepared enough for 2 people, but I'll just put in one to show you how we do it. So a little bit of this, a little bit of that, some onion, some mushrooms go in, have I got tomato in there, Lynn?
Yep.
Good. Some bacon. You can put in anything you like, of course. This is just how we like it. This is one of our favourite breakfasts. So this will go into the other bag. Now we're going to put in some shredded cheese. And Frank, if you could find the salt and pepper, that'd be great. Thank you. So a bit of shredded cheese goes in there. A couple of little handfuls is enough. Then crack a couple of eggs. Pop them in. 2 eggs per omelette. We find that to seal these up while they're cooking, the best thing to use is the good old bulldog clip. Squeeze the air out, fold it over a couple of times. Don't use the slides that come with these bags. They tend to melt when you're cooking. That's why we've invented the bulldog clips that work really well. So just seal those off with a bulldog clip, and then Lynn will show you how we squash it all up. Mix it all around, and then we'll go and pop that into some boiling water, and we'll cook that for about 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. Ah, we forgot the salt and pepper. Pop some salt and pepper in there too. Frank's a bit slow with the salt and pepper. Our water is boiling. We've got a nice pot of boiling water here. So pop your bags into the boiling water and lid down. We'll come back in about 15 minutes and check those. It's time to check our omelettes and see how they're going. Lynn, if you could just stick the fork in, please, and tell me what it's like. It's looking pretty good. Another few minutes. It's still a little bit gooey in the middle. Okay, we'll give it another couple of minutes and then we'll be ready. We're using the inside of a rice cooker as our cooking pot here, and it works equally well on a campfire. So you can put it on hot coals or on the gas as we've done today. The omelettes are done now, so we're just going to open them up and pop them into a bowl, and it comes out in a lovely little parcel, and that's our favourite breakfast. Yum.
Here's a tip for your caravan step. We just brought this hardware store, $9, rated 100 kilos. Used it first camp, took 1 step down on it, it shattered, and I'm only 60 something kilos, so buy a proper step. No damage done to me, but the steps shattered.
Hi guys, you've probably seen these barbecue lights, the gooseneck light, magnetic, and quite a strong magnet too, and they're really handy for using on your barbecue, but there's other uses for them. Let me show you. So as you can see, these lights are pretty bright, so for a reading light probably not too good. So what I've done here, I've fixed a washer with heavy duty double-sided Gorilla Tape, which works really, really well and stands up to a lot of heat. It hasn't moved yet. Of course, you have a reading light and a handy torch in the middle of the night, just in case you need to check on anything.